You know what? I'm dysfunctional because when I was a child, I was so poor. I would sit at a park bench and Birch would bring me bread. One time I lost my toothpicks and I put my toothpicks in front under the pillow. Then I'm tooth fairy. She left me an IOU. And then my parents said, Papito, what do you want for Christmas? Whatever you get me, I'm already used to it. You know what Christmas? You know one time he got me? Well, Bob, he got me a box with 2 batteries inside of it. Papi, a box with 2 batteries. Sí, mijo, toy not included. But anyway, getting back to my story, I did my physical. I did my physical, and I told the lady, listen, she said the doctor will be right with you. Okay, but, oh, you got to pee? Sure. It's 2 doors down the hallway. Here, take this. Está bien. And then when I got out, I said, they had a toilet in there. I didn't need it. How ridiculous is that? Hey, let's hear it for the beautiful barmaid. You're fixing some good drinks, honey. Thank you. My doctor told me I have to watch my drinking. Looks good to me. I don't know.